Hi, I'm Therese Winnington with T. Lewis Real Estate and Design, and today I'm going to walk you through a garden party. A few pointers when you're having a garden party. Ladies, be comfortable. It's classy, so no leggings or sweatpants. Gentlemen, wear collared shirts. But this is your party, so you can make it whatever you want. Always have a nice selection of music in the background that's soft and recognizable. Nothing too crazy. This is not a rock concert. The next important thing about a garden party is, depending on your party, if it's not for your furry friends or for kids, make sure that your guests know that. If it is, include that it is. The next thing that I want to walk you through with a garden party is it can be during the afternoon, the day, or in the evening. This one happens to be an evening seated dinner for 12 people. So what I'll do next is I'll walk you through a place setting and where the appropriate utensils and plates will go, as well as glassware when you're throwing a garden party. This way. So for this evening's function, we will be having appetizers, soup, a salad, seafood course, and a meat course, as well as a dessert. So we're gonna break it up this time. This is not a fully served sit-down dinner. So the hors d'oeuvres will be a casual mixer with some champagne, and then our guest will be seated. Our first course will be a soup. Our soup bowl is not here because the soup will be plated in the kitchen by the caterer who is helping us out with this function, who is Victor and Victoria, and they do a phenomenal job. The next plate that you will see at the table is our salad plate, and then our dinner plate. We're going to do the seafood and meat served and plated on the same plate, but you can do a separate plate if you prefer. On to our utensils. What I currently have on the table is the salad fork. I also have our entree fork. On the other side, we'll have our salad knife, as well as our steak knife. You can also put a seafood knife here, but it's not necessary. And then our soup spoon goes on the edge. At the top of our table is our coffee spoon, and then we will also have a dessert fork, but the type of dessert we're having actually does not require a fork, so it's not on the table. For your glassware, we have our water goblet and our wine glass, and then our red wine glass will come out later when this entree is served. For your table decoratives at a garden party, it can be as organic as coming out of the ground, or you can actually have floral arrangements made. I made use of these really cool antique tulip vases that I already had, but use what you have. It's super simple. It should be fun, and you should always be calm at your own party. Remember, you're the host. If you're not having fun, your guests are not having fun. All right, so let's cover a little bit of manners. Are you really going to insult your guest if they use the wrong fork? No. But this can be as low-key or as dressed up as you desire. But remember, your guests are supposed to be having fun. So there are no judgments here. Use what works best for you. There's one thing we definitely cannot control: the weather. So always have a backup plan for your guests, whether it's ushering everyone inside or under a tent. And sometimes not just rain is our issue. The cold and wind can also cause issues. So always have a backup plan, be prepared, but always be calm. Your guests want to enjoy it and not have you be crazy. So make the most of it. And now that we've gone over some pointers for your garden party, it's your chance to try one. Cheers to you. And remember, there is no thing as perfect, so make it yours and yours alone. Cheers.